lands far away, I sought a new horizon, a different time, a forgotten space. To Mongolia I journeyed, where life is tethered to the rhythm of the land, in a simplicity profound, yet carefully planned. The nomad spirit endures, burnt in sun-edged faces, guiding their goats, sheep and horses across sacred open spaces, in a symphony of bittersweet survival.
Keen
I came across the horsemen, a splendid kind of grace, born to the saddle, a master of this place. With effortless expertise, they move as one with steeds, guiding large herds of horses, fulfilling timeless needs. I watched them gallop across the steppes, a sight to take my breath, a dance with wind and dust, across valleys, any depth. In their hands, the reins of history, in their eyes, wild and free, the very soul of this nation, for all the world to see. Then westward we journeyed, where mountains touched the blue, to meet the Kazakh Eagle Hunters, their ancient bond so true. A partnership of patience between man and golden bird, a practice passed through ages, each silent glance a word. With eyes keen as the hunters, they scanned the frozen air for marmots, foxborough, rabbit, a hunt beyond compare. In their rugged, weathered faces, a dignity so pure, a tradition living, breathing, that forever will endure. A testament to harmony, with nature's stern decree, a mystical connection for all eternity. This wild expanse in a resilient 4x4 with over 2,000 kilometers in off-road quest would put the engine and the tires through the test. Mountains, valleys and rivers, countless ridges, each flowing water, each dune be carefully passed, a testament to freedom on a journey built to last. The vast open landscapes, forever stretching wide, untouched nature calling with nowhere left to hide. Just us, the rumbling engine, and the endless silent land, discovering true wilderness across grass and rock and sand.
Very kind of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Very cute. Good job.